little artists. Today, we're going to dive into the juicy world of strawberries. Are you ready to add some fruity fun to our canvas? Let's get started on this delicious drawing adventure together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Get your markers ready because we're about to sketch and draw a delightful strawberry that will make your mouth water. Let's begin by drawing the strawberry itself. Now, let's add some detail with the calyx, the leafy green top of our strawberry. Next, let's draw the seeds, those tiny specks that add texture and flavor to our strawberry. And what's a strawberry without some utensils for enjoying it? Let's draw a fork on one side and a knife on the other, ready to slice into our tasty treat. Our strawberry drawing is almost complete, but let's make it stand out even more by outlining it with bold, sharp lines. Now, are you ready to add some color to our mouth-watering masterpiece? Let's grab our color pens and make this strawberry as vibrant as it is delicious. Green color. Yellow color. Red color. Magenta color. Blue color. Navy blue color. Yellow color. Wow! Now, let's add glue and sprinkle glitter on it. Whoa! It's look fantastic! Look at this scrumptious strawberry we've created together. I can almost taste it already. Keep up the fantastic work, my budding artists. Keep drawing, keep creating, and keep enjoying the sweetness of art. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.